It's a tradition that goes back many generations. These young warriors are gathering to showcase their bravery. Traditionally, that meant hunting and killing a lion. But in recent years, some young men have been turning their backs on this tradition, instead opting to compete in the Masaai Olympics. The sporting tournament is the brainchild of Kenyan Olympic gold medalist David Rudisha. He is also a Maasai and is working in partnership with a local organization.
We are trying to educate and emphasize that is not the right way to go, because we treasure this wild animal, because it's part of our heritage, it's a part of our rich culture.
The fourth biannual tournament took place this month. Preparations begin at the start of the year. Teams are selected from various villages, and from July to October, teams train to compete in regional events. The best athletes are chosen to take part in the Olympics. Participants say the tournament keeps them occupied and safe.
We are happy because we have changed the old system where we used to hunt wild animals. At times one could get killed by the animals or even get injured and no one would come to your rescue. But today we are here competing against each other where no one gets killed or injured, but instead wins a prize.
Athletes compete in events such as spear and club throwing, running and high jump. The main prize is a golden trophy and a bull, which benefits the whole community. Cash prizes and university scholarships are also handed out to winning athletes. It's all part of an effort to benefit local people and save vulnerable lions.
If you compare us to warriors in the past, they used to go and kill lions, but that doesn't help you in any way. When you go and kill a lion, you only come back with its tail to seek glory, but that's in the past. Instead of killing lions, we compete amongst ourselves and get money that we can take home to help meet our needs.
The Kenyan government estimates only 2,000 lions are left in the wild in the East African nation, and conservationists say their plan to save them is working. Since the tournament started in 2012, the lion population has dramatically increased in areas where the competition is held. Philip Wera, TRT World.